Have you tried avocado sandwiches yet? It's creamy, healthy, but usually turns soggy, right? What if I show you how to make an avocado sandwich that stays crispy for longer? Yes, you heard it right. Let's make it. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and support the channel. Here in a bowl, I have taken one small chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, 2 green chilies and some coriander leaves. Next, I have 2 avocados here. It is perfectly ripe. Let me show you the simplest way to cut this. Slice it around just like this and open it. You will see a big seed inside. Carefully tap the knife on the seed, twist it and see how easily it comes off. Peel the skin just like this. Some people scoop it using a spoon, but I prefer it in this way because I can keep this beautiful green color. Put this into the bowl and mash it using a fork. It looks good now. I have kept some lumps in this. Squeeze in half a lemon. Cover the lid and keep it aside. Next, we'll prepare the bread. To get a crunchy sandwich, here is my trick. I will take a butter and cut it into small cubes. See these tiny butter cubes? Let's place this on the bread. Place it and give it a gentle press. Making sandwiches in this way, it gives a nice buttery crunch in every bite. Here is my sandwich grill is nice and hot. Let me brush some oil. Place the butter side up. Wow, it looks beautiful. Look at those beautiful grill lines. On one bread slice, I will sprinkle some grated cheese. I'm not going to close the grill here. I will leave it like this. This little heat is enough to melt the cheese and stick to the bread. Take the second slice and spread the avocado mixture. Don't go too close to the edges. See how nicely the cheese is sticking to the bread. Place it and give it a gentle press. It's so nice and crunchy. Let's cut it. Wow, look at this beautiful crunchy sandwich. Creamy avocado, melted yellow cheese. Perfect. Look how crunchy it is. Enjoy this with your favorite sauce or by itself. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.